Today we are going to start the chapter Congruency of Triangles. Before studying congruency of triangle, first we should know what is the meaning of congruence. Congruent means equal in shape and size, or we can say in all respect. For example, if I draw a circle with radius 3 cm and another circle with the same radius 3 cm, then these two circles are said to be congruent. But if I draw a circle with radius 2 cm, then this circle is not congruent to the first circle, or we can say to the second circle. If I draw a square of side 4 cm, then the square which will be congruent to it will be a square with side 4 cm. Since it is equal in shape, that is both are squares and their size are also equal. So if I try to put this square, that is square ABCD, on square PQRS, then it will completely overlap square ABCD. Thus these two figures are congruent. Now we come to congruency of triangle. If two triangles A, B, C and the other triangle P, Q, R are congruent, then on placing this triangle PQR on triangle ABC, it will completely overlap each other. Now when will they overlap each other? Only when the angle A of triangle ABC will be equals to angle P of triangle PQR. Again, the angle B of triangle ABC will be equal to angle Q of triangle PQR. Now the angle C of triangle ABC will be equals to the angle R of triangle PQR. Also, with this condition, side AB must be equal to side PQ. Side BC must be equals to side QR. And side AC must be equals to side PR. Then only we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Now what I have told you here is that, and if triangle ABC is congruent, this is the symbol of congruent to triangle PQR, then angle A of triangle ABC will be correspondingly equal to the angle P of triangle PQR. Then angle B will be equals to angle Q and angle C will be respectively equals to angle R. Along with this, the sides AB will be equals to PQ, side BC will be equals to side QR, and side AC will be equals to side PR. Then only the two triangles will be congruent when they satisfy all these three conditions. Now, in this very important point to be remembered is that we have to see that while writing the name of the triangle, there should be 1-1 correspondence. That is, when we have written angle A is equals to angle P, then while naming them, at the place of A and P must be same. Similarly, the place of B and Q must be same since they are correspondingly equal. Then angle C is equals to angle R, therefore the place of R must be same as the place of C. Then only we can say the two triangles are congruent. Here we cannot write that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QRP. Since angle A is not equals to angle Q, angle B is not equals to angle R, and angle C is not equals to angle P. Thus, this is wrong. Now, to show that two triangles are congruent, we need not to show all the six conditions. There are some conditions with the help of which we can prove that the two triangles are congruent. These are the sufficient conditions for congruency of two triangles. The first one is SAS. Second one is ASA. Third one is AAS. Fourth one is SSS. And the fifth one is RHS congruency criteria. Now we will study one by one all of these criteria. First of all, we will study the first criteria, that is the ASA congruence criteria. As the name says, ASA, that means angle. Here A stands for angle, then S stands for side, then again A stands for angle. So we can say angle, side, angle congruence criteria. According to this criteria, if we are given two triangles A, B, C and the other triangle P, Q, R, then this criteria says that the triangles are congruent if the two angles and the including side of the two triangles are correspondingly equal. That is, if angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R, and BC is equals to QR, then these two triangles are congruent by ASA congruence criteria. Since the two angles, that is angle B and Q, then comes the side, that is the including side between the two angles. Since we have taken two angles B and C, here we have taken two angles Q and R, therefore the side must be the including side, that is BC here and QR here. If the two triangles satisfy this condition, that two angles and the including side between them are equal, then these two triangles are said to be congruent by AAS congruence property. So according to this property, if two angles and the including side of a triangle are respectively equal to the two angles and the included side of the other angle of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by angle side angle congruence criteria or property. For example, if we are having two triangles A, B, C and another triangle X, Y, Z and angle B is equals to 30 degree and angle C is equals to 40 degree in triangle ABC, and in triangle PQR or in triangle XYZ angle Y is 30 degree and angle Z is 40 degree. Measure of side BC is 4 centimeter and that of YZ is also 4 centimeter. How can we show that these two triangles are congruent? We can say that in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, angle B is equals to angle Y, that is equals to 30 degree. Then BC is equals to YZ is equals to 4 centimeter. Angle C is equals to angle Z, that is equals to 40 degree. Thus, by ASA, that is angle, included side and angle property, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. Now, while writing the name, we have to be careful. Since angle B is equals to angle C, angle Y is equals to angle B is equals to angle Y, angle C equals to angle Z, then angle A will naturally be equals to angle X. So we have to write here that angle A is equals to angle X, then angle B is equals to angle Y and angle C is equals to angle Z. So these two triangles are congruent. You can also see that by writing this in this form, we get the sides also equal, that is BC is equals to YZ and the angles are already equal. Angle A is equals to angle X, then angle B is equals to angle Y and angle C is equals to angle. Now after proving that these two triangles are congruent, the remaining sides and angle will naturally be equal. That is, we can conclude that angle A is equals to angle X by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Also the remaining side, that is AB is equals to XY, which we can write it from here, AB is equals to XY. This is again by CPCT, and one more side which is remaining is AC will be equals to XZ by CPCT. That is, if we have proved that the two triangles are congruent, then the remaining parts will also be equal.